Yo, what's good everyone? It's your boy Grim back again. First off, I just want to say a big sorry for not uploading as much recently. Life's been a bit hectic, and on top of that, I've been dealing with some serious device issues. But we're still here, still grinding. Now if you've been on CODM, you already know we just got hit with a fresh update, and that rank reset is here. So you know what time it is. Day 1 of rank reset, and guess what? Your boy dropped a nuke and went absolutely crazy in this gameplay. You don't want to miss this. But before we dive into the heat, I really need your support right now. Like I said, my device has been acting up bad, and I'm trying hard to hit YouTube partnerships so I can start monetizing and save up for an iPad, something solid enough to keep pushing content for y'all. So please, if you rock with me, watch the video all the way. Smash that like, drop a sub, and share it around. Every bit of support means the world to me right now. I love y'all, I appreciate y'all, and with your help, we'll keep leveling up. Now enough talk. Let's get straight into the video. One shot, one kill, Grim seals the deal.
Friendly stealth chopper inbound.